Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today we're going to walk you through a quick and easy guide on how to change the display refresh rate on your Galaxy Z Flip 5. This is a great way to customize your device to suit your needs, whether you're looking for smoother animations or longer battery life. Let's get started. To begin, open the Settings app. While in the Settings menu, tap on Display. Locate Motion Smoothness from the list of options and then tap on it to proceed. In the succeeding window, you will see two options, namely Adaptive and Standard. Select Standard if you want your phone to use a 60 Hz screen refresh rate. This option will let you get a longer battery life. Otherwise, select Adaptive if you prefer to get smoother animations and scrolling by automatically adjusting the phone's refresh rate up to 120 Hz. Note that selecting this option may result in higher power consumption. After making necessary changes, tap the Apply button. And that's it. You've successfully changed the display refresh rate on your Galaxy Z Flip 5. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe for more helpful tech tips.